prepped their squirrels. I'm all cleaned up. I'm going to show you what we like to do when we're out camping. So the best thing to do is get some olive oil and any sort of rub, what your favorite barbecue rub is. I like mesquite rub personally. Some salt and some pepper. But all I'm going to do is take these squirrels and load them up full of olive oil first, and that keeps it from burning when you get it on the fire. We like to put this straight onto the fire. Just pour some olive oil all around it. It'll keep a crispy edge, but it'll be moist on the inside. Don't be shy with the olive oil. It takes a lot. All right. Okay. And we're gonna get these things nice and covered. Didn't know you were gonna get a cooking show with this hunting film, did ya? Maybe we'll make this a separate video. I don't know. It smells so good though. All that mesquite. Get these salted up real well. All right guys, this is good. Ready to go for the griddle. They're super hot. That is the sound of success, folks. All right, we'll let those babies cook. We'll turn them after they're nice and well done, because you don't want to leave wild game undone like this. Definitely not a good idea. We'll let you know how it goes. Here we go, guys. Grilled squirrel straight over the fire. Let's try it out. Just gonna grab a chunk here off the leg. You can see it's all the way cooked. Oh my gosh, it's hot. Woo. Look at that beautiful, well-cooked meat. Oh, oh yeah. I'm the Dollar Sportsman. This is what it's all about. Thank you guys for watching. Comment below your favorite recipe for wild game. I'm gonna finish eating this because it's delicious. Thank you so much for coming along. More adventures to come. We'll see you next time. Is that good or what?
Especially on an empty stomach.
That is the face of delicious squirrel, brother. Oh yeah. That's pretty comfortable. Woohoo! Let's give it a shot. Or 2 or 60. We're in bug territory. Yes! Wow. I'm the Dollar Sportsman. Yes, I'm the Dollar Sportsman. I'm the Dollar Sportsman. Having fun out here. And just enjoy all of this. Because after watching these videos, I hope you do. Yeah, buddy. Got some squirrel in your teeth?